Most existing spinal navigation systems use infrared light and reflective marker sphere tracking techniques. However, due to the large size of the dynamic reference marker, it must be placed away from the surgical site. Also, since real-time dynamic correction during operations isn't possible, the localizing accuracy diminishes. The 3D optical localization and tracking technology is developed to reduce the size of location reference markers, achieving individual localization and tracking for each vertebral body under surgery. The technology can be combined with vertebral segmentation and registration techniques to enable real-time dynamic adjustments of each vertebral location on the navigation images during operation. Using robotic arms can also enhance the applicability and precision of the navigation system. The technology can be applied in trauma, pelvic, and brain surgical procedures in the future.